IP Salaye is an acronym from Skills Acquisition, Learning, and Youth Entrepreneurship. This is a project we started in 2023 to empower youth corp members in Nigeria about the importance of intellectual property and the importance of protecting their inventions and innovation with intellectual property rights. So we are here today at the Innovate Hub, and they've gone through the different departments, the different sections, seeing what is possible, seeing what inventors, innovators can do, and after which we're going to train them on how then to protect this intellectual property well.
Today, due to this workshop, I've been able to learn that Innovate is a technological hub, and I learned about 3D, I learned about visual reality and more. So moving on, WIPO has been able to help me learn about intellectual property like copyright, patent, and trademarks. They have been able to give me great insight on how to pattern out our ideas from conception onto implementation. And this whole experience has been quite an awesome one for me.
Each department we have here in Innovate Hub plays a vital role in what is out there in the industry. What do I mean by that? We develop our prototypes from scratch. We compare with standard industrial requirements. Basically, there's no project you want to kind of develop without having an insight of what you want to do.
WIPO is World Intellectual Property, and today we are live at the technical section organized to further equip us with more knowledge about our innovative ideas. And in today's section, I've been able to become more aware, more equipped on how to put those innovative ideas to make money out of it.
Hello, my name is Toby Moody. I'm the director of the World Intellectual Property Organization Nigeria office. WIPO is a specialized agency of the United Nations that's charged with the global administration of intellectual property. The work we do aims to support creators and innovators in the production of new goods and products, of course, for the benefit of society. And we strive to see a world where innovation and creativity from anywhere is supported by intellectual property for the good of everyone. And so most of the work we do is really driven to ensure that there is a balanced and effective intellectual property system that works for the benefit of all. I'm really delighted to be here today because we've been able to work with our dear friends and partners here at Innovate Hub to organize this program in support of youth corpers in Nigeria. And of course, the IP Salaye program is a program designed to really empower youth corpers to use intellectual property to be able to, of course, commercialize, but at the same way, identify solutions that would help to solve local problems. And so we work with youth corpers by supporting them to come up with new products, with new ideas and new businesses. And of course, we work with them on the journey to how do we support to empower them with intellectual property to make these a reality. And so I'm really delighted to be here today.